Pet gadgets on Amazon and Innovation are a range of products that aim to improve the lives of pets and their owners. These gadgets range from practical devices that make caring for pets easier to high-tech toys and devices that provide entertainment and stimulation for pets. They are designed to enhance the bond between pet and owner and to make life with pets more convenient, fun, and fulfilling. Both Amazon and Innovation offer a wide range of pet gadgets, from smart feeders and self-cleaning litter boxes to interactive toys and devices that monitor pet health. Whether you're looking for a way to simplify pet care or just want to bring a smile to your pet's face, you're sure to find a gadget that meets your needs and budget on Amazon or through Innovation. In today's video, we will be showing you best pet gadgets on Amazon and Innovation. Without further ado, let's begin. RUBOLD Dog Dematting Tool. Keep your dog looking and feeling his best with the RUBOLD Dog Dematting Tool. Gentle yet effective, this handheld tool has an innovative design to brush through a variety of fur types. The Dematting tool is designed to remove the undercoat of fur. This helps to promote airflow yet retains the coat to protect your dog's skin. Unlike traditional brushing, the Dematting tool uses an innovative design to power through even the unruliest fur. In fact, you begin by using the 9 sharp teeth to tackle the stubborn matted fur. Then, switch over to the side with 17 teeth for quick and easy thinning and de-shedding. TRIFO Lucy Pet Robot Vacuum. Stop hurting your knees by cleaning your floor and instead use the TRIFO Lucy Pet Robot Vacuum. With a strong suction power of 4,000 power amplifier, it collects dirt, wipes up stains, and cleans your carpets as well as solid floors. Moreover, you can adjust the suction power through the app. And the 600 milliliters dustbin ensures it can make it through your whole home. Designed with a washable main filter, this robot cleaner runs on a 5,200 mAh battery and cleans up to 2,700 square feet of space. It runs for up to 120 minutes and can even act as a mop with the attachment. Specifically crafted for homes with pets, it has a port for pet care. Aqara Camera Hub Indoor Camera. Complete your smart home setup with the Aqara Camera Hub G32K Indoor Camera. Boasting AI pet, gesture, and facial recognition, it knows when you come home. Likewise, it recognizes if a stranger enters the room and sends you a warning notification. Use gesture recognition to set actions according to 5 gestures as well. With 2K 1296 pixels resolution, it has a 360-degree viewing angle for high-quality and detailed images. Made with HomeKit connectivity, it can even record in full HD 1080 pixels quality in HomeKit secure video mode. The 110-degree wide-angle lens and pan and tilt motors provide up to 340 total degrees of rotation. Furthermore, it's a Zigbee 3.0 hub, also compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFT. Petcube Bites 2 Smart Treat Dispensing Camera. The Petcube Bites 2 Smart Treat Dispensing Camera takes rewarding your pet to a whole new level. Because this device has built-in Alexa, you can give your buddy a treat while you're busy prepping dinner. Plus, it still comes with all the qualities you want in a pet monitoring camera. You'll be able to watch your best friend while you're away from home. You can even use this camera to help train your cat not to scratch the sofa, even when you're away. This smart camera also offers night vision, meaning you can see your pup while you're out for the evening. In case that work event isn't too exciting, you can use this pet monitor to interact with your furry friends instead. Feline Yogi Cat Yoga Mat. Give your kitty the best place for activities with the Feline Yogi Cat Yoga Mat. Just like a traditional yoga mat, this one offers a cushioned spot for stretching, relaxation, and a little mental stimulation. However, this one is made just for your feline friend. The cat yoga mat is durable to function perfectly as a scratching mat. In addition, it has a wonderful gripping texture that your cat will just love. The front of the cat yoga mat also has a special bonus. It comes with a built-in catnip toy. Tied to the mat with durable rope, the catnip allows your cat to have a little entertainment too. Whistle Health Dog Tracker uses AI to translate. Understand your pet's well-being and health better with the Whistle Health Dog Tracker. Using AI, It tracks your furry friend's behavior to monitor if they're sleeping, drinking, exercising, and more in healthy moderation. In particular, this dog tracker analyzes if they're scratching too frequently, which can be an indication of allergies or skin infections. Moreover, it assesses if they're licking too much and monitors their drinking and eating habits. With this data to hand, you can pick up on illnesses early that you might ordinarily not notice. Whistle Health constantly assesses your pet's behavior and sends this information to the app with daily health insights. Link AKC Intelligent Dog Collar. With GPS and activity tracking features, the Link AKC Intelligent Dog Collar will make any pet feel special. This CES award-winning device helps you find your pup if they ever go walkabout. It clips onto any regular collar, and the patent-pending GPS technology lets you see your dog's location via the Link AKC mobile app. You can also check up on how much exercise your mutt is getting thanks to daily activity stats. The app even has a digital scrapbook where you can record special walkies and meet the new neighborhood puppy. Meanwhile, the collar helps you get to know your dog better. Lishinu, the hands-free dog leash. Introducing Lishinu, the hands-free dog leash. This leash cleverly keeps both of your hands free while you walk your dog so you can carry weights, groceries, or even poo bags with ease. Available in 6 colors, Lishinu securely attaches to your wrist with an adjustable Velcro strap. In the event that your dog runs after another squirrel or you need to quickly remove him from danger, Lishinu has an auto-locking mechanism that works like a seatbelt to give you total control. The total length of the leash can extend up to 10 feet, more than enough for any active pooch. Paw 5 Puzzle Rock and Bowl. Give photo hours of fun throughout the day with Paw 5 Puzzle Rock and Bowl. Complete with a super wobbly base, this bowl gets filled with food for your pup to explore, find, and eat. This puzzle feeder is used by pouring dry food right on top. Instantly, the majority of the food will slip through the paw-shaped holes, leaving man's best friend to paw and nudge until finding every last crumb. The Paw 5 Puzzle Rock and Bowl turns ordinary mealtime into a fun-filled adventure for your dog. Additionally, it allows your dude to eat more slowly to safely consume and digest his food. PetSafe Drinkwell Butterfly Pet. Encourage your cat or dog to remain hydrated with the PetSafe Drinkwell Butterfly Pet Fountain. Featuring 4 falling water streams, it entices your furry friend to drink more since they'll be more attracted to the moving water. Alternatively, remove the butterfly topper for a quiet, bubbling water flow. Furthermore, this PetSafe unit boasts a 50-ounce capacity, so there's plenty of room to hold water all day. And the water constantly recycles to prevent any waste. This constant water circulation also prevents bacteria growth. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.